All right, here we got a new unused MECCO electric. It's electric dump truck. It's a one of a kind deal here so far. First one we've seen. Kind of self-explanatory. It's all electric, 3 speeds. Seems to drive pretty well. We got a little hill down by the freeway. If you've ever been here, it goes up that no problem, with actually 3 of us in there. Got LED lights, windshield wipers. What do you got, a radio in there too, boys?
Yeah.
Look at the steering wheel. Oh, there we go. Move your hands. Let me show them the steering wheel. Oh, there we go, right there.
Keep the music on.
All right, you guys want to flop the sides down and show them how that goes?
Yeah.
We'll give you a quick little demo. See how quick these little cow fellers can get their cart. The radio's going. Just another day at work. To get it bent, you gotta unhook the back. Okay, watch out. There you go. Just like that. Boom. Just pull it down. There it is. Look at that, a little flatbed action. Put your feed back there, hay, whatever you need, anything. All right, put it back up. You gotta show them how this thing drives. They're probably like, okay, we get it. Drive it. Nice bed. Like it. Let me show you the interior. We'll have buttoning this up right here. So me and the 2 little boys here, we all fit in it. It's got the nice screen. Look at that. Phone does weird things with dashes. It's clear. It doesn't do weird stuff. Anyways, all right. I was trying to get the right station now. Come on, we're losing. The people don't want to. Let's go. Reverse. Okay, stop. Look at them go. It goes probably 15 miles an hour, maybe a little faster. Well, there you have it. Come check it out on our preview day, Friday before the sale, 9 to 4. Other than that, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.